Well, hello YouTube. It's nice to be back on the Royal Enfield Himalayan. What a lovely sunny day at the end of October. You've got to get these days riding in while you can. Had a really crap week with the weather. Been absolutely flinging it down every day, barring for yesterday, and I had something on. Oh, making a YouTube video, that's what I was doing. Anyway, I'm coming down here just to have a look at this. Gale Common Motor Park. Wow. Looks like we've got a motocross track. I think this warrants further investigation. Oh, my prop stand looks a lot bigger there. That's a lot better. Oh, we've got a nice rainbow there. I don't know if you can catch it with the camera. Well, after successfully losing my drone at the motocross track, I got talking to this guy who was taking his dog for a walk, and it's actually a practice track, and they're down here on a Saturday afternoon and a Sunday afternoon. So I think I'll be having a ride down and taking a few photos. Really nice bloke he was. He said he rode classic Husqvarna's twin shocks. Nothing going on at the lake today. Last time I was around here there were the Asken Radio Control Yacht Club on the go. Not riding that way. Well, the leaves are starting to turn now and starting to drop off. I've got to say, early autumn's my favourite time of year. Wow. I hope you've enjoyed your ride out with me today, and we'll catch you on the next ride out. And thank you very much for watching.